The police have laid charges against the man who was shot during a police operation in Tivoli Gardens, West Kingston last week. 24-year-old Tivoli Gardens has been charged with shooting with intent, possession of prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and using a firearm to commit a felony. It was reported that on Tuesday, July 14, the police were conducting an operation along the Bustamante Highway when they were confronted by armed men. During an exchange of gunfire, Gordon was shot and injured. Now, residents later protested against the shooting. Member of Parliament for West Kingston, Desmond McKenzie, went to the scene and was pepper sprayed while the police were attempting to arrest one of the protesters. The police reported that during a search of the area, they seized a Smith & Wesson Springfield 9mm pistol fitted with a magazine containing 4 live 9mm cartridges. They also recovered 3 pistol magazines, 1 M16 rifle magazine, and 21 rounds of 7.62 ammunition. 5 wanted men were nabbed in a major police operation in St. Mary. It comes as the police intensify measures to root out criminal elements in the parish. The men were arrested and charged for a number of serious offenses. They are Alex Coburn, otherwise called Lex, who has been charged in connection with a double murder, Malik White, who has been charged with robbery with aggravation, Marlon James, otherwise called Alicat, who has been charged with wounding with intent involving the use of a firearm, Jerome Malcolm, who has been charged with shooting with intent, and Alex Carriage, who now faces charges of simple larceny, unauthorized access to computer data, along with 8 additional offenses. Now, commanding officer for the St. Mary Police Division, Superintendent Anthony Wallace, said the division remains committed in its pursuit of wanted persons and those responsible for criminal activities in the parish.